It's the holidays are approaching, and it's time for us as actors to consider who the important people are in our careers that we'd like to give holiday gifts to. So a favorite is, of course, our representation. Our agents and managers have been working hard for us all year, and this is a fantastic time to recognize them with a little gift. Other people you can think about are your acting teachers. If there are people that you've been working closely with, coaching on auditions, your scene study classes, this is a great time to connect with them and express your appreciation. And then you might want to also think about casting directors. Maybe there's someone who's cast you in something really huge this year, or a casting director that you've developed a closer relationship with. They are also great people to remember during the holidays. So what the heck should you give these people? Here is where you are in luck, because I have put together a list of my very favorite things, some fantastic holiday gift ideas for specifically you for this holiday season. So if you need some gifts under $5 because your budget is tight, I got you. If you want to get crafty and make some gifts, I've got some great ideas for you there. And if you want to splurge, I've got you there too. A handy thing about my holiday gift guide is I even have an idea for those of you who don't have mailing addresses for the person you want to send a gift to. All you need is an email or a mobile phone number, and the service will handle the rest. So let's talk about what you should send, right? You want to stay thoughtful if possible. It's best to think about what you know about the person and use that when you're deciding what gift to give. If the person doesn't drink, don't send them a bottle of wine. If the person's avoiding sugar, you don't want to send them a gift basket full of cookies, right? So make sure you're taking into account the humanity of this person when you're sending a gift. I love to send a New Year's card every year with a collage of photos of highlights from the previous year. I can do this for a lot of people on my list, and I love it because I can take the downtime over the holidays to send the card. New Year's is a great thing to celebrate because it's not religious, everyone acknowledges it, so steal it if you want to. So just click here or here or here, somewhere around this video, to download a copy of Asia's Favorite Things, your premier holiday gift guide. It will make gift giving so much easier this year for you as an actor. Enjoy!